Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming Windows version and making a restore point so you can undo changes if needed. Check Event Viewer for the exact error code to guide fixes, and back up the registry because registry edits are risky. Once done, disconnect extra peripherals and temporarily disable VPN or third-party network tools because they frequently interfere with Windows security services. These steps protect you and narrow causes so subsequent actions target the true fault rather than random configuration differences. You now repair corrupted system files with SFC and DISM. These restore core components that security features rely on. After they finish, restart and verify Windows Update, Security Center, and related services are set to automatic and running because stopped services cause persistent errors. Next, inspect group policy and local security policy for overridden settings that block features. Fix or reset policies if necessary. Making these repairs restores integrity and ensures the OS can enforce security rules again. You finish by installing all Windows updates and updating drivers. Many security errors stem from outdated components. Then reset the Windows Security app or reinstall third-party antivirus to clear corrupted definitions or settings. If problems persist, perform a clean boot to isolate startup conflicts and test using a new local administrator profile to rule out profile corruption. One key troubleshooting tip: if the error returns, check Event Viewer for repeated service or DLL errors, and note the exact code before escalating or restoring your backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.